Hi, so today I want to make a nice flowing exercise to break up tension and bring more vitality to your body. So to do this, make sure that we have a nice upright posture so that we can go into embrace the wind, caress the moon, a lovely flowing chi. So bring your hands out to the side, palms up, and we're going to inhale as the hips go back. Bring your hands around and point them to your waistline. Continue to flow them around so the backs of the hands come out in front. Exhale, bring your hands around as if making an offering. Inhale, bring the nails together and point them at your solar plexus. So not the heart, you want to stay a little lower. This is your power center, you want to charge it up. And then exhale, hips go back, hands drop once again, and we're going to caress the moon as we bring the hands up and charge up the top of the head, right in the center of the brain. Let's give some chi here, really helping with melatonin and the pineal gland. And now you're going to get nice and tall and rise above the troubles. So we're going to get nice and tall. This is called clearing murky waters. Let's inhale as we drop the hands all the way down to the waistline and then wash it away. Exhale. Let's do that again. Let's inhale, bring the hands into the waist. Exhale, hands go back and around. Exhale, and then inhale, we bring energy into the solar plexus. Exhale, hands go down, hips go back. Inhale, bring hands up, filling up the center of the head. Take a nice breath in and then exhale as we charge it up, and then inhale, rising above your troubles, getting nice and tall, and then exhale, wash away any of those troubles. Inhale, bring energy into the waist. Bring it around. Exhale, flowing up along the front, making an offering. Inhale, fill up your power center at the solar plexus. Exhale, hips back, hands forward, caress the moon, bringing energy into the third eye area, and then inhale, rising above your troubles, and exhale, washing them away. Let's do that a couple more times. Inhale, circle around. Bring the hands back in front. Exhale, hands up. Circle around. Inhale, charge up that power center. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, bringing energy up. Exhale, filling it up. And then inhale, rising above the troubles, and exhale, wash it away. One more time, here we go. Inhale, circle around. This is embrace the wind. And then exhale. Inhale, filling up the solar plexus. Exhale, drop down, and then inhale, flow up. Exhale as you fill the top of the head. Inhale, rise above. Exhale, wash away any tension that you still have in the body. And then bring your hands back to your navel. Pause and breathe. Have a moment just to thank yourself for all the energy that you just supported. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.